Dogecoin looks like it bounced on the Fibonacci retracement level sitting at 0.156. I've been watching these Fibonacci retracement levels, and I get them from getting the Fibonacci tool and dragging from the bottom of the trend to the top of the trend. We have this big run up, and I'm looking at this bottom right here and this top right here. We get the Fibonacci retracement tool, drag from the bottom of the top, and then that gives me levels to watch as we go down. And these levels can act as support and or resistance. Right here we got resistance on the 38% level and started heading down, and then we bounced, or it looks like we're bouncing on that 50% level sitting at around 0.156. Check it out. Came down, support, 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 right at that Fibonacci retracement level. The other thing that I've been watching is this pattern. I thought it was a rising wedge pattern, but we didn't get a huge breakout once we broke this going to the downside right here. So I don't know if I really love this pattern anymore. The other thing that I was looking at, because we look at multiple things, we also had a downtrend. We had resistance, 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 giving me a downtrend like this. We also had resistance right here. And we had that downtrend on the daily time frame. We actually broke that going to the upside, so technically we are changing directions right now. Let's see if we can keep this momentum going to the upside. The other thing that I'm looking at is we have this 9 moving average right here, this blue line, and right now we are under it. I think if we could break above the 9 moving average, maybe we can get a nice pump to the upside. Now that we're heading up, I guess one of the targets that I'd be looking at is this Fibonacci retracement level, the 38% level, sitting at around 0.173 up here. Since we bounced on that Fibonacci, this 50%, let's see if we can bounce and come up to the 38% level at least. I don't really have any patterns that I'm looking at right now, mostly just looking at the trend lines. We had the downtrend, broke that going to the upside. Hopefully we're changing direction and maybe we can start pushing back up. I haven't really been making videos because I wasn't really sure what's going on. I was kind of waiting for it to break this Fibonacci retracement level. I thought once we do, if we could break 0.156 going to the downside, then I'll get more confident on that 0.139 level, but I'm not really right now. I haven't really been too confident on it because we haven't really got a huge breakout to the downside. It's still possible that we come down, like we get rejected on here and start heading down again. But like I said, we had this downtrend and we're breaking and going to the upside. Let's see if we can keep this momentum going. Sorry for not making any videos. I haven't really been sure about exactly what's going to happen next. So like I said, I think since we bounced on that Fibonacci retracement level, the next thing I'm kind of looking at is up here, as long as we just don't get rejected and start falling back to the downside. If we do, maybe we'll get another bounce at 0.156, and if we break 0.156 going down, then I can start getting more confident on that 0.139 level. I still do have a limit order on here just in case, but I am much less confident on it now that we broke that downtrend going to the upside. Let me know what you guys think. It was just a quick video. Let me know what you guys think though. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see the next one or the last one, check out this video right here. See you in the next one.